నా పేరు సాయి స్వరూప్. నేను అనంతపూర్ జిల్లా నుంచి వచ్చాను. నేను ఇప్పుడు మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ ఇన్ ఇండియా ప్రెజెంట్ పాస్ట్ ఫ్యూచర్ అనే అంశంపై మాట్లాడబోతున్నాను. Mathematics has played a significant role in the development of Indian culture for millennia. Mathematical ideas that have developed in the Indian subcontinent have had a profound impact on the world. In the ancient times, mathematics was mainly used in auxiliary role. That is, it is used in the construction of Vedic altars and is also used in astronomy, astrology, and etc. By 5th or 6th century BC, mathematics was studied for its own sake as well as the applications in various fields of knowledge. Coming to mathematics in ancient times, the Indus Valley civilization is considered to have existed around 3000 BC. So its most famous cities, Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, provide evidence that the construction of these buildings followed a standardized measurement which was decimal in nature. These also had advanced brick-making technology. And the study of astronomy is considered to be even older, and there must have been mathematical studies on which it must be based. Supplemental Vedas are Sulabha. These are 4 in number, named after their authors Bauddhayana, Manava, Apastamba, and Katyayana. And a famous mathematician called Laplace quoted that it is India that gave us ingenious method of expressing all numerals by means of 10 symbols. So coming to the mathematics in classical era, the most famous names of mathematicians belong to what is known as classical era. For example, we can take Aryabhatta, Bhaskara, and Varahamihira, and so many others. Varahamihira, he devised tables for the sine and cosine tables for 4 decimal places of accuracy, and Sridhara, he formulated the volume of a sphere, and he wrote a book called Patiganita, which was work of arithmetic and mensuration both. And Aryabhatta, his famous work was Aryabhatiyam. He also devised a method for solving the equations of the form ax plus by is equal to c. And Brahmagupta, he devised one more method to solve the equations of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And coming to mathematics related with architecture, architecture and mathematics have always been close to each other. Not that architecture in the fields of mathematics, but their combined search for order and beauty. For example, we can take nearby Hampi Virupaksha temple. Their mathematics has played a prominent role in the construction of that. So there are many other examples like Taj Mahal and Jali Red Sandstone, etc. So many are there. And coming to the medieval mathematics, mathematics in 1800s, that is the dominant figure we know we all know about him. That is Ramanujan. He was born in 1827, 22nd December. He was the greatest mathematician, we can say that, from India. He was introduced to the world by the English mathematician Hardy, and his famous number we all know, 1729. He was also the first member to elect to the Royal Society. Coming to Harishchandra, he was the least known mathematician but produced significant results among his researchers. And Ganesh Prasad, he was famous for his theories of exponentials. And coming to the future of mathematics, nowadays mathematics is studied in least roles, but we should study mathematics. All of them must read mathematics so that mathematics will go to the peak levels in our future. There is urgent need for development of the mathematics in future so that we can sustain our lives in very good manner. So I would like to grandly conclude that no math, no life. So let us join our hands for mathematics. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity.